So let's talk about renovations that maybe you should think long and hard about. Renovations that might not add the most value. Some real common ones are typically things that relate to the structure of the house, like a roof, like mechanical systems, a furnace, a water heater, an air conditioner. Those things are all typically expected by buyers in the market, so investing in those things just means that you've kept them up, you've maybe brought them up to the current age and condition of the neighborhood. And that's true of any renovation that or investment somebody would make in updating a house, is not to exceed what's considered typical and common in the neighborhood. Swimming pools quite often cost considerably more to have installed than the market value will return from them, at least from an appraisal standpoint. Buyers are quite often willing to pay more for features and updates than what the appraisal can reflect. Since an appraisal is based on comparable sales, if there's a particular feature or renovation that can't be found in the market by the comparable sales or based on those sales, the appraiser will have a hard time extracting an adjustment and putting it into the appraisal to show an increase in value for those features. Something to consider when you're investing in updates, upgrades, and renovations.